Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the incredible features of the Yeedi Vac 2 Pro robot vacuum and mop combo. A powerhouse of cleaning efficiency with its 3000 pascals suction and unique oscillating mopping system, perfect for tackling dried-on stains and dirt on both carpets and hard floors. Say goodbye to the hassle of pre-cleaning with its advanced 3D obstacle avoidance technology that effortlessly navigates around everyday obstacles like shoes, pet bowls, and kids' toys, making it a lifesaver for families with pets and children. Its smart and ultra-slim design, equipped with visual navigation technology, ensures precise mapping of your home for efficient cleaning paths, reaching even the most hard-to-access areas without missing a spot. The Yeedi Vac 2 Pro intelligently identifies floor types, steering clear of carpets in mopping mode while boosting suction power in vacuuming mode for optimal cleaning results. With the intuitive Yeedi app, you can customize your cleaning experience by adjusting vacuuming and water flow levels, selecting specific rooms or areas, and even controlling the vacuum with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant for ultimate convenience. Enjoy extended cleaning sessions with an impressive 240-minute runtime on a single charge, perfect for large homes, and take advantage of the optional self-empty station for a hassle-free experience. Buy with confidence knowing that Yeedi offers a 1-year worry-free warranty, promising to replace your robot vacuum if any quality issues arise within the warranty period. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.